They say a single cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds, yet that same cloud floats gently above your head, without effort, without sound, without motion. If you stacked 1 million pounds of steel, concrete, or bricks, would it float? Gravity, they tell us, is what holds oceans, buildings, you and me, to a spinning ball. But somehow, it lets a 1 million-pound sky sponge drift like a feather. That's not science, that's storytelling, they say. It's just tiny water droplets suspended in air, but it doesn't matter if the weight is scattered. 1 million pounds is still 1 million pounds. Disperse an elephant into gas form, is it still weightless? If air can hold that weight, why do heavy planes need engines to stay up? Clouds float, they say, because air is buoyant. But buoyancy only exists because of pressure differences. And pressure, we're told, relies on gravity. Remove gravity, and their model collapses. But so do their explanations. Yet here we are, standing still, looking up, watching 1 million pounds hover. Have you ever seen a storm cloud roll in? That's not mist, that's a dense, low-hanging, massive formation. And still, it floats effortlessly over cities, mountains, oceans. Where's gravity now? Selectively applied. Let's go deeper. NASA says gravity holds the moon in orbit, pulls tides, curves oceans, holds an atmosphere to a spinning globe flying through space. But not clouds, not smoke, not helium. If gravity is that powerful, how do hot air balloons escape it? With a fabric bag and some heat? If gravity can keep a planet's oceans from flying off, why can a bird outfly its force? Why can a drone hover? Why can a feather fall slower than a leaf? Why can you exhale and watch your breath rise in winter? They say gravity is a force, but also not a force. They say it curves space, bends time, and it works. Except when it doesn't. It can't be measured directly. It has no particle, and it's never been replicated in a lab. Flat Earth researchers say it differently. Objects fall because of density and buoyancy, period. A bowling ball falls because it's denser than the air around it. A balloon rises because it's less dense than the surrounding atmosphere. Clouds, same principle. Their density matches the surrounding air, so they float. It's not magic. It's observable, testable, repeatable. Unlike gravity, which requires faith, in the globe, in Einstein, in NASA. It's not a law. It's a doctrine. So why does this matter? Because if gravity isn't what they say it is, then the spinning globe model begins to crumble. If clouds disprove gravity, then the sky isn't just floating water vapor. It's proof that the Earth is not a sphere, but a stable, unmoving plane. Look around you. Nothing is spinning. Nothing is falling upward. And those clouds, they're not miracles. They're reminders that what goes up doesn't always come down. And what floats in the sky isn't bound by the lies we're taught. 1 million pounds, suspended above your head. Still believe gravity is real? Or is it time to ask what else is floating above our heads besides clouds? The Earth doesn't spin. Gravity isn't pulling. The truth, it's rising, and it's lighter than air.